Guys, my name is Chidima of Learning Beauty Empire. In case you're new here, you are highly welcome. And for you, my old subscribers, thank you for tuning in back. So guys, on today's video, I want to show you guys step by step how I achieve this beautiful wig using just kanekalon hair all through. And if you're interested to see the process, to see the step by step process, don't click out, stay tuned and keep watching. Let's go. Welcome back. So guys, I'm going to first start with this kanekalon hair. It's a used hair. In case you have a used hair you don't want to trash or you want to make use of, you can use a used hair or your new hair. So I'm going to wrap the hair on my flexi rod. I'm using a flexi rod for this tutorial. Okay, as I'm showing you on the video, I'm wrapping the hair tightly. I'm not doing a loose coils. I'm doing a mini tight coils. As I'm wrapping after wrapping the hair, I'm going to show you just one, then I'll go straight because I'm trying as much as possible to make this video short. Okay, after wrapping the hair, which you guys are familiar with, wrapping the hair on a flexi rod is the easiest method of wrapping hair, I think. Then this is what it looks like. These are total of the hair I'm going to use. Then I'll proceed to dipping the hair in hot water. First of all, I put the hot water, added some leave-in conditioner. You can add any leave-in conditioner of your choice or a hair oil. After adding the leave-in conditioner, make sure I melt the leave-in conditioner into the hot water. I mean a hot boiling water. Then I put all the wrapped hair in the hot water and leave them there for like couple of seconds. Then I let it dry. While the hair is getting dried, I went ahead to solder my frontal to my wig cap, and here is me trimming or plucking out the front hair to make it look natural. And I have already brought out my baby hairs, the hairs you are seeing in front. What I'm doing now is to braid out the 4 braids. That's it. I have 2 braids by the side of my ears. I'm going to braid them out now before I proceed to creating the next step, which is the bantu knot. And after braiding the braids by the side, I will set them aside. I will still come back to them later on. So this is me braiding the bantu knot. You can see I've already made some bantu knots. Let me quickly show you how I made the bantu knot. The ones you are seeing, it's nothing too deal or too big about it. Just the normal way you braid your hair. You can use a twisting method, you can use a braiding method, depending on whatever method you fit or you like most. At the end of the day, you're still going to wrap the hair to form a bantu knot. So that's this method of braiding the bantu knot doesn't matter at this point. So after braiding the hair, I will start wrapping it to form a knot, which is called a bantu knot. Now that you have seen that doing the bantu knot is not that difficult, so this is the total of the bantu knot, which is the second stage. So this is the hair I wrapped earlier and it's dried. Now I'm going to unwrap it from the flexi rod, and this is what the coils look like. Okay, and after unwrapping it, it's so long, I don't want it to be, the coily hairs to be long. So first off, I'm going to trim off the tips so that it will not be difficult for me to separate the coils. Okay, before I separate the coils, I will first apply oil on my hand to avoid freezing, okay, and to make the separation so smooth. Then I cut the hair into two. This is the exact length. I want a very short coily hair, coily bob. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to separate the coils, and this is what the coils look like after separating them. After this stage, I will show you how I attach the coils to the wig cap. And this is how far I have gone. So let me quickly show you guys how I attach the coils, the hair to the wig cap. It's a normal crochet method. I'm using the crochet method. I'm using this big normal crochet pin for the back and the middle of the hair. So once I get to the front, the part close to the frontal, I use the smaller crochet, small size crochet pin, because at that point I want the knots to be as tiny as possible and as invisible as possible, and at the same time, because I will crochet a little bit inside the frontal, so it is only that small crochet that can pierce the frontal without ripping it off. Okay, and after this point, the next thing I'm going to do is, you guys are going to say, okay, let me let you sit and watch. I'll come back and talk to you guys again. Okay, now that I'm done crocheting the hair to the cap, first thing I'm going to do is to trim the hair, just to level the length of the hair and to detangle the hair. So guys, at this point, if you have not subscribed yet and you have watched it this moment, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, and again, I'm begging you guys, like this video if you find it helpful and if you enjoyed watching this video so far. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to bring back the coils to life by applying the styling mousse. I'm only using the styling mousse. This hair is low maintenance hair. Okay, and again, you can use a human hair to get the coils. If you are interested, you can indicate it while placing your order. So remember the 4 braids I set aside for the 2 sides of my ear. I'm going to touch them up the last time by adding some beads to them and sealing the ends. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment what you think in the comment section, and if you're interested to order a wig or this wig or any wig, any type of wig, please check the description box, the column that says to order a wig. You get my link, the link to my WhatsApp number there, so you can place your order. Remember, you can as well achieve this using a human hair. Like I said, this wig is low maintenance. So after sewing, sealing adding the beads and sealing the mount, I will go ahead. You know, it's a wig. I'm not gonna leave the bantu knot that way because I want you to pass the test of time. I'm going to secure it by sewing it tightly. This will make the wig more firm and more durable to last longer, so that the bantu knot will not unravel at any point in time. It will remain and will last longer. And after doing that, I will go ahead, to trim down the baby hairs. Like I said earlier, everything I use on this tutorial for this wig is totally 100% kanekalon. So this is me um plucking out the baby hairs to make them look beautiful. So I get some questions. Some people ask that their baby hairs they get burnt while trying to lay them. No, don't use this hand stretcher or electric stretcher. Either use your hand dryer. Once you run a hot hand dryer, that's hot breeze on the baby hairs of kanekalon hair, it will melt and slick instantly. Okay, so you don't need to go far by using what was the name of that person I should stretcher, hair stretcher. Rather use a hand dryer and you get the perfect texture for your baby hairs. So this is what I want to put in here. Whenever you buy a wig, a 100% kanekalon made wig, please make sure you use hand dryer on your baby hairs. Okay, so this is me trying to cut the baby hairs, trimming the baby hairs. And if you want to see the installation of this wig, please check my previous video. I've already posted the video, the installation. So the next I'm going to do now is to attach the elastic band. This is the elastic band. It's an adjustable elastic band. I'm going to attach the band where I'm showing you. I'll do that off camera, then I'll come back and show you the finished results. So this is what the wig looks like. Again and again, thank you very much if you have watched till this moment. Thank you for sticking with me. I really appreciate. Thank you very, very much. If you find this video helpful, let me say it again. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. When you like my video, it shows YouTube that the video is doing well, so they're able to show it to more other people who might be interested. So help me, support me by liking the video and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.